morning, student. Yesterday we started the lesson verbs, regular and helping. And yesterday we saw the regular and irregular verbs. Now we are going to continue with this lesson with helping verbs. What is meant by helping verbs? Helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs or auxiliaries. This is the another name for helping verb. Helping verbs occur before the main verb. It means when we are using the helping verb before the main verb in the sentence. They help the main verb in different ways. That is why it is called helping verbs. First, primary helping verbs. It means auxiliaries. Be, have and do. These are the primary helping verbs. Then modal helping verbs, modal auxiliaries. They are will, would, can, could, may, might, shall, should, must. Now let us learn about the primary helping verbs. We will learn about the modal helping verbs in details in the next chapter. So, modals express attitude or opinion. So here, these are the forms of primary helping verbs. Verb, present form and the past form. So what is the primary helping verb? Be, have and do. So the primary helping verb is be. What is the present form of it? Am, is, are. And what is the past form? Was, were. So the primary helping verb have. Its present form has, have. Past form had. Helping verb do. Present form do, does. Past form did. Understood? So now first we'll see the helping verb be. How to use it. Look at these sentences. First, I am reading the newspaper. He is listening to the radio. We are drawing a picture. They were making a lot of noise. She was walking towards the railway station. Now here am, is, are, were, was. These words are highlighted. Why? Because am, is, are, these are the present form of the verb be. And were, was are the past form of the helping verb be. So be as a helping verb is followed by the main verb in the ing form. It means we have to add ing to the main verb. See here, helping verb and main verb. Am laughing, carving, reading. Here ing. Main verb is laughing, carving, laugh, carve, reading, read. So we have to add ing to these main words. That is why I am laughing. He is carving. They are reading. It was carving. We were laughing. In this way we can make the sentences and we can use this helping verb be. A main verb can have these forms. The base form is eat. The base form of the verb eats. The past form ate. The past participle form eaten. And the ing form is eating. So like this, kick, kicks, kicked, kicked, kicking. Again, go, goes, went, gone, going. So in this way, the past participle form of some verbs is the same as the past form. So here are the different forms of the main verb. Understood? Now here the task is given. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of be. The main verb have been underlined for you. He dash working hard these days. What will come? Is. You dash not listening to me. Are. We dash playing when it began to pour. Were. The baby dash crying for milk in the night. Was. Our school dash planning a carnival last year. Was. I dash attending the French class today. Am. Okay, so in this way we can use the helping verb be. Now the helping verb have. has, have or had as a helping verb is followed by the main verb in the past participle form. Helping verb has, main verb taken. Helping verb have, main verb taken. Helping verb had, main verb taken. It means have, has, have, had. These are the three helping verb, but we have to use after this the main verb of past participle form only. Understood? Now have is a primary helping verb. So what is the present form of it? That is has and have. And what is the past form of it? That is had. But has, have, had, we have to use the past participle form of the main verb. Now the question D, fill in the blanks with the correct form of have. He dash taken permission to go out. Has. I think I dash eaten too much. Have. People dash not learn to keep their surroundings clean. Have. My class dash written a poem about me. Has. You dash not done what I said. Have. The bus dash left before he reached the stop. That is had. Understood? So in this way we saw how to use the helping verb be and have. Now we'll see the helping verb do. Does, do or did are the helping verb is followed by the base form of the verb. Understood? It means we have to use the base form of the main verb. It may be does, do or did. Do is the primary helping verb. Present form is do, does and past form is did. But we have to use the base form of the main verb. Does open, do open, did open. Yes, it means when using helping verb have, we always have to use the past participle form of the main verb. And when we are using the helping verb do, we always have to use the base form of the main verb. Now, with using helping verb to form negatives, it means we can use this helping verb to form the negative sentences also. These helping verbs can be used to form negatives. The first one, I am not writing the test. James is not writing the test. They are not writing the test. Grandma was not eating much. They were not doing their homework when you called. The teacher has not given permission for the trip. The girls have not brought their rackets to the class. The film had not started when we reached. I do not own a car. She does not need any advice. The children did not go for the exertion. So in this way, we can use the helping verbs to form the negative sentences also. Now here is a question. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of do. Now here read the sentence and write down the correct form of do. The first one. When dash you meet him last? Did. I dash not know how to speak your language. Do. Third one. Hello. How dash you do? Do. Fourth. Dash Sita know where you live? Does. Fifth. He dash not stop watching TV the whole of Sunday. Answer is did. So in this way we have to complete this question number E. Now here complete the sentences using different forms of the verb be, have and do. The first one has been done for you. Avi dash sitting at his table. Answer is. He dash reading his French story book. Is. He dash already practiced tennis today with his friends. Answer is has. So in this way we have to use the different forms of do, have and be like this. Understood? And now here is the short recap of this lesson, verbs irregular and helpings. Read this carefully, take a deep look. If it is any doubt for you children, please write down your doubts and ask me when our school will start. Okay? Thank you.